Let's give it up to LGE, the GAHFU Garifuna Ensemble. Okay, now I'm going to take some questions from some of you. I know some of the students, some of you want to know something about Garifuna. And so we're going to take any questions. Yes?
Why are you wearing yellow and black?
Why are we wearing yellow and black? Okay, the yellow, black, and white happen to be the colors of the Garifuna flag. So the Garifuna flag will look something like this, but it will be 3 stripes. The yellow on top, the white in the middle, and the black bar at the bottom, right there. So those are the colors of the Garifuna flag. That's why you see our uniform in the same colors. Good question, thank you. Next. Yes, we can invite you a little bit later. Let me answer the question right now. We'll get into maybe 1 or 2 more songs. Any other question? Yes, right here. You with the glasses, yes. Well, come on up, come and touch the drums. So you can tell the rest of the students what they are made of. And what do you think this is made out of? What is it right here? Come on up. I want you to explain to the students. What is this right here?
This is bark from a tree.
Wow, very nice. Wow. What is this right here?
Rope.
Okay, what kind of rope is that?
Yellow.
Plastic rope. It's yellow, we call it. I want you to beat it. Beat the drum. There you go. Now, what do you think this is made of? This is made out of? Take a wild guess. Animal skin, yes. And what kind of animal are we talking about? Cow, right? Cowhide. Thank you so much. Very nice. Question over here. Yes. Come on up. The maracas, the sisira, or the shakers, I want you to touch and play them, and you can explain to the students what they're made of. What do you think?
It's made out of wood.
Yes.
It's got wood. Yeah, the sticks are wood. These are what?
Bark.
Okay.
So what are they? Dayton?
So they're actually called calabash. They grow on a tree, you know, so you grab them off the tree and then we let them sit in the sun to dry. You know, then we put little beads inside of them. You know, and that's how we make it a shaka, you know.
So you put them to dry, you clean them up from the inside, they have some kind of fruit inside, and then once you clean them up and they're dry, then you put the little beads in there to be able to shake them. So go ahead and shake them.
All natural. Yeah. That's the new style. Yeah.
Okay, good. And the string is just to keep them together. And this is made out of fishing nylon, right? Okay, thank you so much. The principal of the school has a question. Yes.
I was going to ask about the drums as well, so we're good.
Would you like to come and play a couple of rhythms? Okay. Yes. Okay, come on up. Daniel, come on, everybody. Let's go, Daniel. Let's go, Daniel. There you go. Very nice. Woo! Nice. Whoa.
Thank you, Daniel.
Daniel, would you like to join our band? Yeah? We gotta make you a uniform. Question over here, yes.
I'm just thinking, like, are there any, like, other drums that are kind of like that?
Yeah, let me get the drummer to answer that.
Yeah, they do have another drum that goes forward in between. It's called a trasero. It could play the bass and the primero at the same time. The difference between these two drums, the bass, normally the string on top, it gives a different sound. This is for bass. And the string on the primero, the small drum, the lead drum, it's normally wire or guitar string to give it a smear sound. Most of it, almost every single time you play the bass drum, it keeps one pattern. The primero, that's where all the work, he's doing most of the work right now, because you gotta do a whole lot while I keep one straight beat.
It's really just the different sizes that make the different sound. Bass, treble. Alright? Good stuff, yes. Good question, thank you.
We're gonna go here, then we're gonna go with you. Right here, yes. How long did it take for to learn the dances? You know what? They are born watching their parents and their family members dance, so they just pick it up as children, you know. So now that they're grown, now they're passing it on to you. Okay, so next. How long have we been playing together?
Just today.
Good question. It's been about 3 years, 4 years, or maybe more, on and off. When Roy the drummer doesn't want to come and play, then we'll hire somebody else. No, we've been together for a while. So we do a lot of performances at City Hall, universities like Cal State LA, Northridge, UCLA, and many other places. So we stay really busy, huh? Yes, question right here. Yes. Where did they make them? They make them in Honduras, in Belize, and some in Guatemala, and in Nicaragua. We haven't heard anything, but I know they do. Now they make the drums here. Wow. Okay, well, now they do make the drums here.
Yeah, we normally get it shipped to us.
Yeah.
But now we're getting the drop of it, so now we're making it here.
Yes, right here. Question? Yes. We have? Yes, wow. In the Garifuna culture, the Garifuna genre, there is many different types of music. How many places we have played? Oh, wow. It's been countless. I would say more than 30. And we go there repeatedly, so times 3 or 4 times. Mula, we have the museum in Long Beach as well.
There's not a definite answer to that question.
Yes, thank you. Yes, you. It's a long process. You gotta cut the tree exactly the size you want the drum to be. If you want it to be a primera drum, it has to be a small, the smaller part of the tree. If you want to make a segunda drum, you gotta go to the higher part of the tree that is wider, right? So you cut it into pieces like that, and then you drill a hole in the middle until you get it like that. Really nice. You can see some of the peeling right here inside of the drum.
Use a chain. They normally use a chainsaw to go in between and cut it off with a chainsaw.
Chainsaw. Okay. Question? Yes. Come on up. Yeah, you wanted a follow-up question. Yes, come on up while you finish the question. Yeah. Yes, come on up.
I'll be dancing.
Question. Come on up so we can hear the question. I want you to look inside of the drum. Turn the drum, please, over so you can see the way they work the drum inside. Did you have a question about the drum? Okay, all right. You wanted to feel it. Okay. Question on this side right here. Yes. You could find it on Amazon. Yeah, some people, the drums are very popular in the Garifuna families living in New York, Los Angeles. Very numerous families live in the Bronx, Brooklyn, Los Angeles, California. So I'm sure a lot of people are selling the drums. Question right here.
Yes, most of the songs they do tell stories, either in sickness or celebration or love, just like any other R&B song or hip hop song that you hear. Most of the time it's a life story.
Yes. Question right there.
Can I see what the drum feels like?
Yes, come on up. You too, right?
He's an amazing drummer.
Oh, okay, he's a drummer. Okay.
Yeah, well, we're going to charge him to check it out.
That's a nice pattern, yeah.